Welcome back, everybody, to the drive-thru. I am Geddis Shonikin, aka Show Bro Geddis, and who do we have here with us?
Thong.
Hey,
as
always. So we're inside of a car already.
Yeah.
You're probably wondering why we're inside of a car already. It's because this is part 2 of our 3-part showcase of cars that we have out here. Where are we at?
Audi of Jacksonville.
Audi of Jacksonville. So they gave us some permission to come and look at some of the cars they have here. So we're checking one out.
Yeah, free reign to look at all these cars in the showroom, and they have a lot of cars in the showroom that are extremely nice.
So we're gonna play around with this one that we're sitting in right now. What are we in?
So if you look at the back of the seat right here.
What kind of car? What kind of car?
RS.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. I didn't even realize that the name of the car was on the seat. I didn't even know that. All right, we'll talk about this car, man.
So,
what do you think so far?
Starting with the inside. Usually start with the outside, but you know, we can start with the interior.
Right.
This one, man, is insane. Like the detail in this interior, the RS5 on the seat, stitching on the seat. It's all leather, premium leather.
The seat is super comfortable. I'm not even gonna front.
Really, really comfortable.
Not gonna front.
Carbon fiber all around us. With the doors, to the dash, center console.
And it's real carbon fiber, not like our cars.
Yeah. I drive a Honda, so.
Right.
You know, you only get so much for $30,000, you know.
Yeah. What is this one? What is it sitting at? Hold on.
About 90 grand. Woo! 90 grand. So a little bit of
90K. That's a little expensive, right? But you can make it happen, right?
I mean, maybe.
What'd you say? You need 100,000?
100,000 subscribers. I'll buy one of these cars. Geddis will buy one too.
Yeah,
we'll get matching cars.
Well, I already know what I want, but you'll see that in part 3.
We'll get to that.
We'll get to that car.
So
but anyway, talk about this one.
The start stop is over here, which is kind of weird. Usually it's up here.
It's different.
It's different. I mean, it's not bad.
Oh, what did I just notice?
Ambient lighting, dude.
That's wild. I like that.
Look at this. And then you get the dash, all digital. You also get a digital screen right here. So you have 2 screens to...
That's large too. That's pretty big.
Yeah. This is crazy. Like, there's lights everywhere, man.
Is there
lights here? Cup holder.
Oh, I didn't even realize that there's lights down there too. That's super cool. Look at that.
So
I wonder if they change colors.
You control everything from here. You control the drive modes. There's comfort, dynamic, individual.
So I guess that's probably custom settings.
Yeah, it's custom settings. Navigation is right there. It's also right here. So
nice. I like how that is. Like it's like subtle, but it's there.
Right. All your driving controls are down here.
I don't know if I actually did it, but
the parking sensor. I guess this is auto park. We have auto park.
What?
And traction control on and off, and then your drive mode select. So change that. Like I said, auto, dynamic, individual. Temperature controls are right here.
Boom.
Your gear shifters right here. This one does have the electronic parking brake, which is also in my car. Some people like this, some people don't. A lot of people like the you know, traditional, because it's kind of hard to tell when it's on if you're not really paying attention, you know.
Right.
You kind of forget sometimes. Yeah, man, this interior is just so crazy.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh, sunroof too.
And you get a sunroof in a sports car.
Yeah, this is
controls up here too, dude. You can open the doors, sunroof, SOS. I guess this is like an emergency button right here.
This is. I'm like pleasantly surprised how nice this is.
Yeah, this car is insane.
Yeah, this is
literally insane. This interior. You want to look at the exterior?
Yeah, let's do that.
I feel like that's even better.
Let's do that. All right, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm not used to seeing cars this color, but this color is like legit. So look, it's even practical. So it's got 4 doors. You can make this happen. Look at this. Look at the front too. The front's like super aggressive. It's all blacked out. That's like perfect.
Yeah.
That's perfect. You'll see in other ones that you'll see in other like Audis. You see how they have the chrome, but this is perfect. That's legit.
Yeah. So this has a 2.9 liter V6 with a turbo. So.
Nah, it's legit.
It's fast.
Yeah.
It's a fast car.
Look at, there's not only that, there's look at this yellow one sitting next to it, or orange or whatever color this is.
Yeah, so we have an orange one right here, and also
I don't know. I was about to say turquoise or something like that.
So, yeah, we're in for a treat with this showroom, man, because they have some crazy stuff here.
Right.
Now we're in the second of the 3 RS5s, and Geddis is in the driver's seat for the first time.
Yeah, because I needed to fully experience this. Like, bro, this is super nice. So I know you were talking about like how it was before, the push start being up right here. I actually like it right there, because like it's look at the way I'm sitting. I'm chilling.
Right, it's with an orange.
That's what I'm saying. Just put it, boom, like I'm chilling, just relaxing.
Right.
Boom, hit that. I'm moving. You know what I'm saying? And then look at this. It's the simple things with me. I'm easily, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that?
Adjustable armrest.
Look at that. The way it slides is like smooth. I don't even know if I'm supposed to even be doing it like that. I don't know if it's probably automated or not. This center console is crazy. I think the only thing I've been saying is this crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Right. I love the size of this. Like, this is like, I don't even know how to to explain it, because it's like, it's not like this one big cluster thing that's sitting right in the front or anything like that. Everything is right in the center. I like that. And everything is clean. Like, the steering wheel is clean. I love the way the steering wheel feels. It feels perfect. I love this little piece right here. Like how it's all like, I don't know. I don't even know.
Flat bottom right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, this is stupid nice. And
it's just the details.
Look at this. Look at the sunroof. Yeah. Like, this is nice. I like the way they did this. Like, you can still get the effect of the sunroof, but it's not like it's blacked out or whatever, but you're not getting the entire sun to come through.
Get a little bit of light through.
Right, that's what I'm saying. This is super legit. I am wow. I'm actually very,
I think Geddis is speechless for the first time.
Yeah, I really like this car. This is my first time sitting in, like, it's not my first, this is my first like experience with Audis, I guess, because I've never really actually been inside one or driven one or anything like that. And
it just feels,
I really like this car.
Yeah, show them the stitching on the seats,
bro,
because it's the outside, the exterior is orange.
Look at this. So like I said, so the stitching is orange. Like, the way the leather feels, it just, you want me to be completely honest with you, this car just feels like money. That's really what it is. It's just like, it's money. Look at the seats.
Even the back seats have the orange stitching. So a lot of times in cars, they dress up the front seats, but then the back seats are very
And look at this.
ordinary.
I like the way they have the little plastic piece in the back of it, the back of the driver and the passenger seat. Like, this is raw. This is even like, look at this. I'm just sitting down, right? Okay, so imagine this, right? You wake up in the morning, like, I gotta go run and get some bagels, right? I don't even eat bagels, but I'm running to get some bagels, right? So I'm like, you know what, let me go run to the whip. I run into where to hop in, right? I'm tired, right? But I'm sitting in the car. I'm like, dang. No, it's just very, boom, hit the button. Like, look, I'm still sitting, boom, hit the button. I'm feeling good, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm like, dang, you know, everything starts up and all that. Then I said, you know what, I'm gonna put it in drive, boom, just drive, simple. And not only that, look, I keep my hand here, I'm driving, I'm grooving, I'm moving. This is ergonomically, that's the word.
Ergonomic.
Yeah, it's very it's ergonomically sound. This is
very well designed.
Bruh.
Yeah.
I need this one. How much is this one? Whew.
It's a little bit more.
It's 100K. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they can work a deal out for me.
It's just,
I'm pretty sure of it. This is a nice car. I really like this car. Not to say I didn't like the RS. I love those cars too, but this is, I don't know, this feels reasonable. Like, I don't know.
An everyday driver.
Yeah.
It's an everyday driver.
There you go.
But if you want to get on it and you want to have some fun, you can also do that as well because of the V6 turbo. This
is nutty. Yeah. I really like this car. The only thing though,
what I've noticed is
it's inside. Oh, I'm gonna take it outside.
What I did notice is though, like, this car has back seats.
Yeah.
But I don't think anybody can fit back there.
No. Well, it depends. So I had a car before. I had a BRZ before, and it was. I think the BRZ inside was smaller than this, but I was able to make it work if I needed to make it work. Cause like, look, you could probably scoot up a little bit.
Oh yeah, I can definitely.
Yeah, I could scoot up a little bit. To be honest, I probably would be scoot up a little bit, cause just like hitting this. Yeah, I probably would be scooted up a little bit, but how often do you probably gonna have somebody in the backseat of this car?
Right. You know,
it's not likely. I don't think
for people with families and stuff. Might not be the best,
but it can work.
You do have the option of the 4-door,
right? Not only that, babies aren't big.
True.
You put them in the baby seat or whatever. You know, you turn it up, rev the engine a little bit. You know, they're crying, they go to sleep. Boom. This is I don't even want to get out of this car. I really don't. But we got to continue on.
You gotta keep on going.
I don't want to get out of this car, bro. I am surprised how much I like this car. I did not expect this.
Well, I think Geddis has some thinking to do.
Oh man, yo, I like legit want this. The color.
It just screams Geddis.
Bro, it looks like it's just loud. It's just loud. It's. Excuse the limp. My ankle hurt. The only thing I would do probably, because you know I'm a fan of wheels, I'll probably get new wheels. Everything else was perfect. I'm assuming this is the
parking sensor.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Yeah,
I didn't want to sound like an idiot and say what it was and it wasn't that. So that's the reason why I didn't say anything.
Right.
I'm glad you said it though.
Parking sensor.
Yeah. Okay. So they painted this black. I like that too.
Right.
The thing the most I like is I like when they black out. Like they black out certain portions. Like it's crazy because if you look at it, like the little black accents do so much. Like you think that it's very little and subtle, but it's like it does a lot to the car looks. This is look at the. I want this. Look at the front. Look at the front. Look at the front. Look at the front. Like it's not different from the 4-door, right?
Right.
It's just very aggressive. It's very aggressive. It's all blacked out, all murdered out, but they made sure to put the Quattro on the bottom to make it silver, so it's still there. It's there. So we gotta go talk to the finance guy, like right now.
Is Geddis buying this car?
We need to talk to
Geddis might be buying this car, guys. So this is the third of the 3 that are in the showroom.
I need to get this ankle fixed.
Geddis still has a bad ankle.
Not many things make me not talk, and typically when I stop talking, that means I want something. This is
That's it. The verdict is in.
You know, to be honest with you, I really thought that looking at all these cars, like I thought it was gonna be like. I mean, I was pretty impressed with the R8s, and I was pretty geeked out by it. But this, I don't know. I don't even know what it is. Maybe because it feels more obtainable, maybe to me, or I don't know. It's just something about them there.
Yeah. I mean, this car is kind of like the best compromise between like an everyday car and then a supercar like one of these R8s.
Right.
It's
amazing.
Yeah. It's a great car. You know who should get this car?
Who?
Angie.
Well, see, she didn't come.
Angie, if you're watching this.
Yeah, she didn't come because she had stuff to do. But yeah, she said, she's like, I just want to sit in it. And I'm like, if she sits in it, she's worse than me. So she's gonna be like, I'm buying it. Yeah. Done. So I don't know where she's getting the money from, but she's got it somewhere. I don't have it.
The question is, which one of the 3 would you pick? So you
should let everybody else guess that.
Purple, orange, and then blue. I don't even know what the color is, but this color is insane.
It's insane.
It's an insane blue.
But your boy likes that.
See, I'm gonna go with purple, man. Because you know I'm low key. I'm low key. That's right. You go in, the car's purple. Like okay, that's different, right? Not a lot of purple cars out there, but look at the paint. You know, look at the glitter in the paint, right?
Yeah. Okay. I see that.
And then you go in here and look at the seats. Look at the seats when you see the stitching. It's a light color. It pops out to you. Goes perfect with the purple.
But I like the black with the orange.
That's it. That's more sporty.
Yeah, look at this. That's black, orange. Like this is all me. Black and orange, black and orange, black and orange, black and orange. Yeah, I'm with it. That wraps up RS5. So we got one more set of cars to look at. Yeah. So that'd be part 3. So tune in to that.
Tune in next week. It's gonna be legendary.
Wait for it.
Save the best for last.
Best for last.
Trust us.
Best for last.
It's a wrap.
Done deal.